Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about Libra lawyers and law firm theme. So basically with the help of this theme you will be able to create a beautiful website with lawyer firm. Like if you are a lawyer or running a law firm, you can literally use this theme for your business, right? And if you scroll down you can see the whole documentation section of this particular theme. If you click on this Libero documentation, it will redirect you to the whole documentation, how you can install it, what are the proper guides, widget and testimonials and pages, everything and all that. Okay, this is the author's, or should I say author's official page, where you can see this kind of website. We are going to import it on our domain. So let's start. Okay, so first of all you need to buy this domain, buy this theme for the from here, from theme forest. For you can get it for regular license for $69, or you can always go in the market and search for a GPL version of this theme if you are okay with that. I personally suggest you, both are fine, go and just buy it from anywhere, that doesn't matter right now. Okay, so I'm assuming you have the theme file right in your system. Okay, so the next step is to install that theme on your WordPress website. I will use a very fresh domain for this video. As you can see, this is a very fresh domain. Simply the basic WordPress theme has been installed in this domain. So first of all we need to log into our dashboard. Type wp admin and we will be logged into our dashboard. So if you are logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password. Do enter that which you have filled while you were installing WordPress in your cPanel. Okay, this is the backend or the dashboard, and the left hand side you will see multiple options to customize our website. Like there is a setting, there are some tools for website, you can create user, you can add new plugins. Let me give you a short description about each and every section. Okay, under the setting hood you will find general setting, writing setting, reading setting, and permalink. Basically you can change the structure of your URL of pages, post and everything. Okay, under the tool section you will be able to see import tool, export tool. You can check your site health, that is good, right? And under the plugin section, with the help of plugin, basically you will be able to add some extra kind of functionality. Okay, and if I particularly tell extra kind of functionality, it means that if you want to add any kind of slider in your website, you can literally do that by adding a new plugin in your theme, right? And under the appearance hood you will find theme, customize, widget, menu. Okay, so today we are going to deal with the appearance section. Under the appearance hood we will see themes. Okay, as you can see, Libero has been uploaded on my website. I will tell you how you can upload it as well. Click on add new, and here you can see that by default WordPress provide you n numbers of free themes, right? And there are a lot of difference between free theme and paid theme. That's why paid theme has to be that much expensive, isn't it? So to be honest, let me give you a quick difference that a free theme is not that much customizable. Okay, like if you want to customize the header, footer, or if you want to customize a particular page, you cannot do that with super easy things, right? Free theme consists of so much kind of limitation that you are like what should I say, prisoned. So I generally don't prefer you to go for a free theme. If you have a little bit of capital to invest in the initial stage of your business, always invest that money in buying a good theme. That will be a very good beneficial point for your website, because the premium theme conversion rates are pretty high as compared to the free theme. So it's always good for you. Okay, let's click on upload, select the file where it is, let it load. I don't know why it's taking that much time. So we have to click on choose the file, and here is the file. Click on install, and it will take couple of seconds, but I have already uploaded that to save the time. As you can see, it is already uploaded. I just need to activate it, and it has been activated. Now you are seeing some kind of notification that theme is providing us. So basically a theme consists of multiple functionalities, and each and every functionality totally depends upon some kind of behavior, and that behavior is monetized or not monetized. It's functionally dependent on some kind of certain plugins. Okay, let me give you a quick example. If there is a function like slider, if there is a slider in your theme, and if you want that slider to work properly, then you need to have a plugin related to that slider working in the back end, right? Hope you get my point, right? So whenever a theme suggests you to install some kind of recommended plugin, never ignore those messages, because that are essential for your proper functionality of your website. Okay, so we will click on activate all because I have already installed it to save the time. And never activate all these plugins. First of all, you need to install the plugin. You can always install the plugin from this section. Always do activation of the plugin from this section. Okay, click on bulk action, activate, and it will take couple of minutes. You just have to wait for it. Okay, as you can see, all the plugins has been successfully activated. Now it's time to see how our website looks right now. If I visit the website, it must be pretty basic, nothing fancy of it. Okay, we need to install some kind of demo content on it. Click on here Mikado setting and import. Click on this import setting. Now you have to select all the files you want to import and select the attachment. Yes, you want to install the attachment as well, the media files and all that. Okay, click on import, hit OK, and just wait for a couple of minutes and the import process will be completed in within seconds. Okay, let's wait for it. As you can see, import has been completed successfully. Let me show you the whole website. Okay, as you can see, this is the whole website and import has been completed. If I show you from the scratch, you can literally see import has been completed successfully. Everything has been loaded up perfectly. Let the slider load, then you will get a perfect idea about it. And this is a perfect for love form, right? And if you scroll down, everything is perfectly aligned and the footer is also designed. And if I show you in the mobile view, everything is also mobile responsive, which is the great deal, right? So that's all for this video. If you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.